How to safely remove the USB flash from the HMI. Most of people, unfortunately, they don't know that when you want to detach your USB, before that you should put your HMI on the mode that, okay, hi guys, I'm just removing my USB flash. How you can do it? You should use a button, as you can see here. I put a name for that, remove USB, and the important point is that go to events and here release, and after that I have to add a function. Why is that? It's here setting, and sorry guys, it's on systems. Yes, safety remove hardware, and here you can use a boolean to give you the last result. For example, if your user use this button to remove your USB, it will have two values. 0, it means unfortunately I couldn't remove it safely, and if put it true, or 1 in your tag, it means okay, your USB flash has successfully removed. Thanks guys, and if this video was useful for you, please like the video.